automatic buy sell signal generator. In live market, it will generate calls like a signal. If it's a buy call, green color candle, right now you are watching a sell call, so red color candle. Like this, automatically it will generate calls. Today in 1 minute of market open, 9:16 am, buy call, green color candle open. Like this, in live market, it will analyze the candle movement. Once the breakout, in live market, it will give the calls like a signal. Right now it's a buy call, buy signal, green color candle. Like this, daily basis in intraday market, it will give the calls. So can you see that straight white line from green candle? That is our entry line. Above line are target line, below red color line is the stop loss line. So like this, you will get the entry point, like where to take entry, where to put the target. So through this entry, you can do manual trading as well as auto trading also possible. By connecting your broker account to this chart, you can do auto trade. If you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. I will send you this chart plan detail. November 28th Thursday market, we are watching in Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart. On daily basis, we are analyzing in Bank Nifty future, like how the calls are generating, how it performing in live market. And today, this Thursday market, 1 minute of market open, buy call, buy signal. So the buy call came at 52,669. Can you see that straight white line from green candle? That white line is the entry line. Above lines are target line, below red color line is the stop loss line. So the entry is 669, first target is 800. So it's a 130 point first target range. In just a 6 candle, 6 minute of market momentum, it successfully break out the first target range. In first 5 candle itself, it's a 100 point breakout happen. After 30 minutes of volatile, it break out the second target range also. Like this, call generated and break out both the target in 40 minutes of market momentum. 53,500 call option we are watching. It's next month, new month contract. So the premiums are very heavy. We are watching in out of the money option chart. It's a chart only. So you can change script like in the money, at the money, out of the money also. So in this out of the money, the buy call came at 430 due to the heavy premium. We are watching in out of the money. The buy call came at 430 and market move all the way to the 550 like that. But at the time of first target range, it break out 480. Like this, you can watch the signal in live market. If you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. I will send you the chart plan detail.